Okay, hello, Mr. Basil and Mr. Ahmed. On next screen record is the second application. This is DCOPS or Koperasi Sharia. And when you opening the application, you can see a splash screen will appear first before entering the uh, Before entering the home screen, you will enter the login screen to login. Okay. After that, you will enter the home screen. On the home screen, there are many menus because this is still in the development. So there are still some menus that cannot be clicked. Thank you for your opportunity, Mr. Basil and Mr. Ahmed. That's all from me. Thank you.